In this video, I will show you how to play Risk of Rain 2 with more than 4 players. Step 1. Install a mod manager. Grab R2 Modman or the Thunderstor app and select Risk of Rain 2. Step 2. In your profile, install the BEP in XPack framework. Most mods need it and R2 Modman will auto-pull it. Step 3. Search and install Too Many Friends. This lifts the lobby capacity to 16. Step 4. Set your max players. Launch the game once, then open the mod's config and change the lobby size to what you want. Step 5. Host launches the game through the mod manager, creates a lobby, and invites everyone. Too Many Friends works server side on the host.